Here's another one. I don't know if this has anything. This may have something to do with space. I don't know. First of all, scroll down really fast right now, Will. Really fast. Go.
Oh, man.
Really fast. No, faster, faster. Okay, good. Stop. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Up.
Why did he have to go fast on that?
Up a lot more.
Oh, this is piquing my interest.
Is on?
No, you got to get, please just get the picture.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Should have just said it in the first place.
No. You scroll fast. I was hoping that you could scroll past the headline and I can get you guys to describe what you see in this image without having read it. But then I realized, well, you're going to read right below.
I've read it and I still have no idea what
It's
a depiction of.
Supposedly, this is a spider holding a knife or sword.
Whoa, metal. I don't see it at all.
Yeah, well, it's eroded. I mean, it's 3,200 years old.
It looks like a hot dog to me.
Maybe it was aliens that did it. No, definitely not. The site dates to 3,200 years old. It's an ancient ceremonial building that was built thousands of years ago in northwestern Peru, decorated with a painting of a spider deity clutching a knife.
I don't see the knife. Do you guys see the knife? I can see the spider is like the red thing is eye.
So it's partial. What we're looking at is partial. And actually the best explanation of this is if you scroll down, they try to put it into a much more rudimentary drawing to showcase how most of it has eroded.
Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Like a drawing
Here you
over top of it.
So most of it has eroded. You can see only 2 legs, maybe 3 of the spider, and you can see the handle of the knife.
Oh, what I thought was the eye is the hilt of the sword. I see.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. What do you
That thing
think we
looks
should
big.
draw? Spider with a knife.
That thing is big.
Yeah?
3,200 years ago,
Wow.
you take the squad, they take the team out to the mountain,
Mm-hmm.
and you start carving. And the job is spider with sword.
Let's do it.
It's wild, right? You try to imagine the scene at the time, what it would be like, and then how people would respond. The community, they come over, they're like, "Did you see the spider with a sword yet?"
I love it. I love it.
Like that would be the
I'll get it
equivalent of.
tattooed.
It would be like an equivalent of a
It's Alex's work.
like a big movie release or something. Like,
Yeah.
damn, did you see the spider? Did you see that yet? Nowadays, we're like,
Crazy that sword.
pretty wild.
That's insane. 3,200 years ago?
That's what it says. And the crazy part is they just found it. It was just there. And they still discover things like this. They discovered the mural in November 2020 after local farmers damaged the temple structure during an expansion of their sugarcane and avocado plantations.
It was in a buried temple, essentially, a buried structure. And they were excavating it, I guess it looks like. Yeah, I mean, you can see the scrape marks all over it.
A Peruvian cultural nonprofit organization recently told La Repubblica that the Huaca was found was from around 3,200 years old and likely had ritual significance. The figure in the mural was a stylized zoomorphic being, a human-animal hybrid deity that could be part spider, which was an important animal in the pre-Columbian
Spider god.
Cupisnique culture. Wow. Yeah.
Have you ever been to like a place like that, like a ritual site?
Maybe ritual.
What about in India when you were there?
Yeah, I'm just trying to recall right now the memory, I put a lot of hard miles on this one.
Needs to defrag.
Put a couple of hard miles on this one.
You need to
here.
refurbish those shoes, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
I think I need to talk to Jeff Bezos. I'm pretty sure he can. I'm pretty sure he's familiar with some ritualistic locations in space. I don't know why that one got Willie D right there. Right?
What's that have to do with anything?
Nothing. It's just a topic we covered previously. That's all because he brought up the refurbished shoes.
Yeah, I hear you.